Stop getting these wrong. Stop getting these words wrong. Do you see these words? Today is the day you finally know how to say them correctly. Disclaimer: if you are not trying to improve your American English pronunciation, keep sliding. Don't come in my comments rude. Anyways, let's go. First word: even though. Even though. Even though. Even though I want to get some ice cream, I'm not going to get any. Even though I'm tired, I'm going to still keep working on my assignment. Even though I don't want to go, I will go because you're going. Even though you need to open your mouth with American English, with English. Also, it is not dough because that is the D sound. The reason why it is hard to make the TH sound is because your tongue is there. D, 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 behind, touching the top of your mouth behind your teeth. However, it could be behind your teeth here, though, but it still needs to be, it needs a though vibration on your teeth. It doesn't need to be exactly between your teeth. No, you don't need to bite your tongue. No. Though, even though, even though, even though. Follow along with me, even though. Next word: thought. Thought. Or naturally, I thought. 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 You kind of drop the T sound at the end. Thought. I thought you were going to call me yesterday. I thought we were going to go to the movies at 2 o'clock. I thought. I thought. Next one. Through. Through. You don't know what I went through to start my business. You don't know what I went through to learn Chinese. You don't know what I went through to learn another language. Through. Through. And last one. Tough. 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 So the reason why you have trouble saying these words is because when you see them, they all have O-U-G-H. However, each word has a different sound. Even though, through, thought, and tough. If you finally get it, if you finally understand how to say these words, please comment below, finally. And for tough, you might have a tough time doing this, but I believe that you can do it. If you want to finally get a better English pronunciation, you don't want to doubt anymore how to say a word, how to make a sentence, how to have a conversation, book a class with me. Just book the class. You don't need to wonder. You already know what teacher I am. That's all. My name is Jasmine from CCC Emerald and Company. Go to ccclanguagelearning.com and then you can book a class with me then. Bye, guys.